And so the government decided to rely on the regulation of product labeling rather than pre-market approval. But this is when people really got to see like what was in cough syrup. And here, really quickly, these are the ingredients to one said cough syrup from the 1900s. This is crazy. I would have loved this cough syrup. I definitely would have had no problem building the Empire State Building if I had this anytime I had the sniffles. And then coming to 1911 to about 1917, we see the first string of states to regulate cannabis in some way.